If you are new, and welcome back if you're not new, girl. What it do? Today's video, I'm about to get straight to the point. I'm going to show you guys 5 ways to tie a turban, head wrap, scarf, t-shirt. Actually, I don't know if it's going to work for a t-shirt, but I'm about to show you 5 ways I like to tie my hair with my scarf. I got this from Crown Your Glory on Instagram, and it's just a white scarf. This is how big it is, how long it is. Please excuse my phone. Now let's get into these head wrap styles. The first style I'm going to show you guys is a style that I love to do. It's probably my favorite style to do, especially when my hair is out in the back. I normally do it with a twist out or a braid out, and I kind of just push the front back, take my brush, and I'll just brush it back like that. And I take my scarf, and since this one is pretty wide from here to the bottom, I'll go ahead and flip it over, and I take the half where the edge is like this, not the free edge. Fold it in half, place it on my head, and just kind of scrunch the back up so that it's not too wide. So it, you know, this is the width of it. It kind of lays like a headband. Take it behind the ears, wrap them around, take it up, and you're gonna tie it like you're tying a shoe, just like that. Don't do it too tight, girl, because then you're gonna end up with a headache. Trust me, I know. So after you tie that, you're gonna take the ends and just tuck them. And there you have it. Now, I've never actually worn it with my hair like this. Like I said, I normally would have a braid out or a twist out, so it's just big curly hair like an afro or my signature curly fro. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check it out. I'll link it up top. This is the first way, you know. It's the first way. Let's move on to number 2. Okay, so we're gonna take it around behind the hair at the bottom. Right here, I like to put it behind my ears and just bring this back a little bit. Then you want to smooth it out. Okay, so you're gonna bring it up to the front, and you're gonna tie it just like the first way, but farther back. So you're gonna tie it back there, and then you're just gonna wrap the rest around and tuck them. This one gets tucked under there. This one is gonna get tucked on this side. And this is the second way. Now, to spice this up, I bring this back a little bit more, and then I'll go in and like do my edges. So I'll just put some edge control here, you know, probably take my little sideburns out and curl those, just so it looks a bit more polished and put together to my liking. You can do however you want, but this is just how I like to do it. But for my hair, if I were to wear it like this, which I probably will when I wear it like this, I would just leave these. I wouldn't go in and curl these because my hair isn't actually curled. All right, this one is really, really cute. I might have to double back and wear this like this for today, but let's go ahead and move on to style number 3. For the third style, I take the head wrap. 9 times out of 10 for any head wrap style I do, I always fold it over just because these are just really wide. So for this one, I am going to place hair wrap on my head. Ooh. Oh look, place it on my hair. I'm gonna try to cover, like, get it at the base. First of all, you want to make sure they're even. You see this is not even, so make sure it's even so you have the same amount to work with on both sides. Then you want to tie it around, like kind of twist them together around itself fairly loosely, and you just want to tie this in the front. I normally don't wear my hair like this. If my hair is out like this, I would normally do the head wrap over some braids, or it'll be more curly and I don't know, I'd be able to kind of style it different. But since my hair is just blown out, it's just kind of here, honey. And that's okay. She look all right. But this is totally a style you can do however or for whatever state your hair is in. As you can see, we working with a blowout. You could do it for a blowout. You could do it for braids. You could do it for twists. You could do it for a braid out or a twist out. Flexi rod set. You could do it for whatever. I love to do this with box braids or knotless braids. I think it looks so cute like that too. But yeah, this is another way. You can kind of play with it how you like. I will not be wearing my hair like this with a blowout because my neck is hot. But this is another way that you can tie your turban, and if you like it, I love it. You go ahead and do it, girl. So this is way number 3. Let's go ahead and move on to style number 4. So style number 4 is kind of like a ponytail situation, a really high ponytail. I did my hair like this when I could not find my pantyhose. Not my pantyhose, my knee high to do my actual puff, and the scarf ended up working out well. So what you're gonna do, you'll see it's already folded per usual. You're gonna fold it again like this. So I fold it like that, and then you're gonna start in the back, put it up under the hair, and you're gonna take it and flip your hair over. Then what you're gonna do is tie the tie in the front like how we've been doing. I know this is a weird angle, but it's tied in the front like we've been doing. You're gonna kind of push the scarf up just slightly. Now, to be honest, I don't know how this is gonna work because my hair isn't curly. It's in like a blowout, so it's a lot longer than what it would normally be. But anyway, we're gonna see how this goes. So now, after you have it pushed up, which we probably should have left some of this scarf out. Okay, so what I did wrong was I didn't leave enough out in the back. So don't fold it over again. Just leave it folded once halfway. And we're gonna take our ties and just cross them around each other in the front. And then we're gonna tie them around each other in the back. And then we're gonna take our excess and put it under. Just kind of camouflage it in there. And I feel like this looks better to me when my hair is curly, because as you can see, it's kind of just out here. But if it was curly, it'll be a bit, you know, shrunken up, more shrunken up, and the curls will kind of fall. Then I'll take some curls out here. I'll take some from the back. This is still a tie you can do. Just imagine my hair is curly, okay? I know it's not, but just imagine, girl. But it's just another way you can tie it. It's kind of like it gives a high puff with a scarf type of thing. So yeah, I look like a chia. Ooh, to be honest, you could do something like this. You could bring it on back, girl. It's looking like a bow. You could bring it on to the back and wear it like this. But anyway, this is head wrap style number 4. Let's go ahead and move on to the last and final style, number 5. For style number 5, you're just going to take your hair and put it in a low ponytail. It don't have to be neat because your scarf, your head wrap is going right over top of it, so it ain't got to even be all that neat. Just try to get it as smooth as you can on the top so that it's not bulging through the scarf. Now I have my ponytail. I'm going to take my scarf. I'm going to open the entire scarf and just place it. Ooh. I always get mixed up with this. Like, even when I'm doing the style to get ready to go somewhere, I always get messed up putting the whole thing on my head. But anyway, I'm going to take it, put the whole thing over. Again, I like to push it back because I like to do my edges and everything. And I also like to fold it at the top, like so. Then what you're going to do, I take it behind my ears, put it behind or under the hair, and you're going to get your 2 sides like this. Okay? Be like that. And then you're going to, wait a minute, something not right. Hold up. You want to make sure you have your 2 sides. Okay? Alright, now we place it over. And then we're going to bring them to the back. We're going to cross them. Like this. Don't worry about the front right now. Don't worry about it. Then what we're going to do is take it and wrap it around like that. Then tie it in the bike, wrap it around, and tuck like we've been doing. So you should have something like this. Mine is really big because my hair is blown out. Normally it is not like this, okay? But this is realistic for a time when I have my hair blown out. So cool. Now I'm gonna take this, put it behind my ears, bring the scarf back. Again, this is where I do my baby hairs however I want to do. Well, I don't have baby hairs, I have edges. This is where I do my edges however I want to do those. And again, I would take my sideburns out and either curl them or just lay them down, whatever I'm feeling for the day. So this is head wrap style number 5. And I think this is cute. Now again, these are all ways I style my head wraps. The only difference is my hair is normally curly. So it's either wash and go, braid out, twist out. It's in some type of textured style. Whereas today, I just have my hair blown out. So they're coming out a little bit different. But I actually like this one. Like, I've liked all of them except the one where I did the high ponytail. That one, I'm not wearing my hair like that outside. But if you want to wear your hair like that outside, you go ahead, sis. But I don't feel confident like that. However, this is really, really cute. I'm feeling this. This gonna be my hair wrap style for the day. I know I said I was doing the other one, but this one already in. And to be honest, I'm a lazy natural on the low. That wraps up today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed these head wrap styles. Drop a comment if you have any other styles and let me know which one was your favorite from today's video. This video was requested by my girl Breezy's Puffs here on YouTube and Instagram. Y'all go ahead and check her out and follow her. So a shout out to you, and here you go. I hope you enjoyed. And yes, that's all I have for you guys in this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Please hit that like button. It lets me know what you're liking from me, and it puts me in the algorithm, okay? Because I need the algorithm to algorithm, all right? So make sure you're hitting that thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell to be notified each and every time a girl posts a new video. Child, side note, when I be doing this outro, I mean, it just takes all the breath out of me. But anyway, hit the bell to be notified each and every time a girl posts a new video, and I'll catch y'all in my next one. Bye.